Hi viewers, today I am going to show you how to make oil-based chocolate chip cupcakes.
For this recipe, you will be needing 1 egg, chocolate essence half teaspoon, sugar powder 125 grams, baking powder 12 grams,
Chocolate chips 40 grams,
oil 125 grams,
cocoa powder 25 grams, milk 185 grams, salt half a teaspoon,
and all-purpose flour 225 grams. Take a mixing bowl and whisk and add all the wet ingredients first. Milk, oil, chocolate essence. If you don't have chocolate essence, you can add vanilla essence as well. And the egg.
now for the dry ingredients.
Cocoa powder. Now add all-purpose flour 1 spoon at a time by constant stirring. Now you can see your batter consistency. Chocolate chips. Get your cupcake tray ready. Pour the batter. Chocolate chips. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes, then keep your tray inside. Let the cupcake stay in the oven for 15 minutes.